Hey, what's up, guys? On this video, we're going to be watching drug traffickers. They get sentenced to 48 years in prison. Let's do this.
What was in the middle of the road? What was that? Is that a blow a tire? Did they throw something out?
I don't know. The car that's behind him,
Yeah.
he's a blocker.
He pitted me.
Like, he did it on purpose to stop y'all.
On August 19th, 2021, Potter County Sheriff's deputies were conducting traffic enforcement in a marked unit on I-40 in Texas. The deputies observed a white Toyota RAV4 following too closely to a truck and attempted to pull it over.
Hey, guys.
742, go 58.
When they activated their lights, the RAV4 kept accelerating, and a white Infiniti QX30 suddenly struck the deputies, causing their vehicle to spin out. Both the RAV4 and Infiniti continued without stopping after the collision.
He's running.
So it looks like this car over here in the front, this is the car that is trafficking with the drugs. And the other vehicle that they mentioned that hit the police car, that other vehicle is together with this one. So they are trying to slow down the cops so they cannot pull over this vehicle over here.
Call it.
741
There you go.
What was in the middle of the road? What was...
The cop he didn't notice that he got hit by somebody else.
What was in the middle of the road? What was that? Did that blow a tire? Did they throw something out?
I don't know.
What the fuck?
What was that?
Did that blow a tire?
I don't know.
Car got away. There you go. 742.
Road workers approached the deputies and advised a white vehicle traveling behind them had struck them, pushing them off the roadway.
I don't know, what, did I blow a tire, dude?
Yeah. I didn't see your tires. No.
742.
You were just driving normal.
I was just freaking driving.
Yeah, it's just like I see they just turned.
We lost the vehicle. We 1050'd our vehicle. I don't know if I blew a front tire.
The car that's behind him,
Yeah.
he's a blocker.
Who was?
The one with the Florida,
Did he hit me?
with the Florida tag? Yeah, he's the blocker.
742.
Now he know what's going on because the worker tell them.
I just got information. The construction workers out here said there was a vehicle out here, a white passenger vehicle with Florida tags. He crashed into us and took off. I'm assuming he's a blocker for this vehicle we were about to stop that was running from us. Oh yeah, he pitted me.
Like, he did it on purpose to stop y'all.
Fuck, man.
Well, y'all's witness, right? You seen everything. Appreciate it. I thought something, man. I like that y'all broke y'all's neck. That fucking car loaded.
Yeah, oh yeah.
29, we need to go to I-40 East.
How the fuck is that here like Yeah. That car hit y'all.
742. 742. Yeah, he wouldn't let us over for miles.
Yeah. I got that tag. The tag should be pulled
The
up.
Florida one?
No, not Florida one. The California tag.
California tag on that vehicle. I believe it's going to have a single male driver. There was a white Florida tagged vehicle behind us, tinted windows.
The driver of the white Infiniti was later identified as 26-year-old Monique DeRaw. The passenger who grabbed the wheel of the Infiniti to strike the deputy's vehicle was 31-year-old Kyle Willica. And the driver of the initial white RAV4 was identified as 35-year-old Ricardo Rodriguez.
Hey, so we went to make a
There you
stop.
go.
The following day, law enforcement traced Monique's phone and located her traveling east on I-40 in a rental car.
There's no There's no audio on this.
Wheeler County Sheriff's deputies were able to stop the vehicle and observed all 3 suspects in it.
They found him. That's what happened when you do something wrong. They're gonna find you one way or another. Let's see what happened here now. Oh shit, he came out with it. Rifle. Holy cow. Oh my God.
I got him.
There's a girl came out of the vehicle. She was the one driving.
Okay. Back passenger, get out of the vehicle!
They have to act this way because they don't know if these people are armed and dangerous.
Got a PA?
Yeah. Back passenger, get out of the vehicle.
Oh shit.
Back passenger, my side, get out of the vehicle.
Hands up, show us your hands.
Hands up. Both of your hands up. Let me see your hands. Up, both hands up. Both hands up. Pick up your shirt from the collar. From the collar.
Look who that is.
Spin around. Spin around. These things. Face away from me. Stop.
There's a front passenger too.
There's a front passenger.
I'm pretty sure, unless it's just the dog.
Is there any, you see anybody else? Front passenger, exit the vehicle with your hands up. Get out of the vehicle, hands up.
Now this guy, he doesn't want to get out. Get out, brother.
Let me see your hands, both of them. Both hands. Exit the vehicle. Hands up. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Turn around. Walk back.
Spin all the way around. Stop.
Walk backwards. Walk.
It looks like he's the guy. He's dancing. He's spinning around like dancing. Wow, unbelievable. This is crazy.
Backwards. Back. Back. Back.
Stop.
Stop.
I'll get on the ground. Okay, lay on the ground. Take your shirt all the way off.
Hands
Arms out to the side. Don't move.
Got him.
Now they're going to search.
Looks like luggage, pillows, and a big ass dog.
Good.
Put your knees back, bud. This one right here. Okay. I got an knee infection. Let's just
I want to start getting traffic moving.
pick you up. Ready? Go get your street.
Always going to win. They're always going to win.
151 eastbound.
What's this all about?
Put them in there with
You
ears.
know what it's about? It's about what happened yesterday. Come on.
I hit the cop.
No, you didn't.
I did. I
go
did.
right here.
I was driving.
Now he's admitting that he hit the car.
She had nothing to do with it. I drove her car.
Hey.
I'm dead ass serious. I know what happened. Fuck it. I hit the cop.
Hey, y'all pat the pockets down. Got ID on you?
No, I don't.
Have a seat.
T-shirt, please.
We'll get it to you. Have a seat. ass? Yeah. Who? This dude. He wouldn't fucking turn around. I know. You want me? County HSI wants to talk to him. Okay, you want me custody or detained?
Hey, I'll call that sergeant. They called me.
904 wheeler, go ahead and show 2 males, 1 female in custody. Go ahead and notify contacts with HSI and Amarillo.
10904, you cut out there at the end. Who do I need to contact?
Notify the contacts in Amarillo and Homeland Security that we've got the vehicle and 3 occupants detained or in custody.
She's the one they want.
She is?
Yeah.
They don't want any of the
Well,
others?
they want the other 2. No, they want the other 2. He said we're coming out there. He said we're headed that way right now. I told him we're at the 151.
Let me get a record.
And
yeah. Haul it to the office. 904 wheeler, go ahead and send an exhortation record. Advise them it's going to be hauled to the sheriff's office. Do what?
He said he's gonna call me right back.
That's that dude. Out of Florida?
That's an Infinity?
Where's it at?
I don't know.
I was like, the other one's on the record?
Hey, big boy. All right. Just go stand in front of one of those.
It looks like they're gonna let her go.
The address?
122 West 2nd.
Yeah.
Okay, 122 West.
Is that where they're wanting to go?
Yeah, we're gonna take them up there.
Okay, you don't want to go to the sheriff's office?
Yeah, we'll have the vehicle taken there for you.
Okay.
Would you mean to tow it there, or do you want me to?
I already got a record on the way.
Drive it there? Tow it. Okay.
904 wheeler, advise the wrecking service.
After searching the rental car, they discovered 7 bags of methamphetamine, weighing approximately 7.57 kilograms.
5 pounds? Some of them. That one is. They sure. Into that one.
What, 5, 6 pounds?
I bet that's 12.
You think?
12.
Monique later told Homeland Security investigation agents the drugs belonged to Kyle and Ricardo. When she was asked about their travel plans, she changed her story several times.
Just pull forward down there in the grid.
All right.
Hey, we take over all 3 of them to OPD. He said because we'll hold it as evidence, is what he said.
They want us to put them in that cell, all 3 together?
Well, he just asked that we take them to Shamrock yet and not yet to Wheeler.
Okay.
So I don't know if he's planning on booking all 3 of them or what he's planning on doing.
Okay. Y'all hot?
No.
Ultimately, the 3 drug traffickers were sentenced to a total of 48 years in prison. Kyle.
Wow, 48 years in prison. Oh, it looks like they arrest her too.
Kyle and Ricardo pleaded guilty to possession with intent to distribute meth and were each given 20 years in federal prison. Monique also pleaded guilty to conspiracy to distribute meth and missed prison of a felony and was sentenced to 8 years in federal prison.
All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.